Welcome to Lesson 45 of 50, the finale of Stage 09, where we combine the magic. Today's command is just 4 letters, sort. It orders any output you pipe into it. Picture Tom. He needs the top 5 biggest files by size, not by name, and sort is the missing piece that finally makes that one-liner possible. So what does sort actually do? It reorders lines by whatever rule you give it. Plain sort goes alphabetically, A to Z, and here's the gotcha that bites everyone. It's byte-wise, so 10 comes before 2. Add N for real numbers, H for human-readable sizes like 1G or 5M, and R to flip any order so the biggest lands on top. 3 modes, used daily. Let's prove it. Feed sort the numbers 10, 2, 3, and default sort hands you back 10, 2, 3. Wrong numerically, but perfectly correct alphabetically because 1 comes before 2 byte by byte. Add the N flag and suddenly you get 2, 3, 10 actual numeric order. So the rule is simple. Real numbers reach for N, file sizes with suffixes like 5M or 2G reach for H. Plain words, default sort is fine. Now here's the beautiful part. 5 flags cover essentially every sort job you'll ever face. -N for numeric. -H for human-readable sizes like 5M or 2G, -R flips the order so biggest comes first, -U strips duplicates, and -K followed by a number sorts by a specific column. Best of all, these are just letters, they stack. Want numeric and reversed? -NR, human and reversed, -HR, unique by column 2, -UK2. Let's see it in action. Tom needs to know what's eating his disk in /var. Step 1. He runs to -sh on /varstar and gets a mess. Dozens of folders in random order. Step 2. He pipes it through sort-h, then tail-5. Boom. Top 5 disk hogs, smallest to biggest, with var cache crowned at 142 gigs. That's stage in 08 plus stages 09, an instant top-end report in one line. But what if your data has multiple columns and you need to sort by a specific one? That's where sort-k earns its keep. Sarah wants the top CPU hogs, so she runs PSO, pipes to sort-k3-nr, then head-5. The K3 picks column 3, %CPU. The N makes it numeric, the R reverses it. Chrome's renderer wins at 87%. And here's the magic. Sort-K works on any tabular output, PS, ls-LDF log files. One tool, universal grammar. Now here's the trap that bites everyone at least once. Pipe the numbers 2, 10, 100, and 3 into plain sort, and you get 10, 100, 2, 3, looks sorted, but it's dead wrong. Why? Sort compares character by character, and the character 1 comes before 2 alphabetically. The fix is simple. Add -N for raw numbers, or -H for human-readable sizes like 5M and 2G. When in doubt, reach for -H. It handles both. Force the mode whenever digits are involved. Once you've got sort behaving correctly, it almost always hands off to one of 3 neighbors. Pair it with head or tail to grab the top N or bottom N. That's your 5 biggest files pattern. Do-H piped into sort-H piped into tail-5. Pair it with unit-C to count duplicates, the classic what's the most common IP in my log query. Or pair sort-U with WC-L to count unique items. Top N count dup, dedupe count, 3 patterns that cover most real work. Now it's your turn, 3 exercises, each pairing sort with something you already know. First, ls piped into sort, a gentle warm-up that confirms ls is already sorting for you by default. Second, the top 5 biggest files in your home directory using du, sort-h, and tail. Third, PSO piped through awk and sort-u to list the unique users running processes. Run all 3, feel stage 09 click into place. And that's stage 09, complete. Pipe connects, redirect saves, append grows, WC counts, and sort ranks. 5 operators, infinite pipelines. Ahead lies stage 10, tar, gzip, history, clear, and the capstone project that ties everything together. 5 lessons to the finish line. Onward to lesson 46, tar.